good one, shit.
All right, boys, we got this Detroit finally dressed up and ready to go. We're gonna leave it on the stand, put it on the truck, back in the woods where the porter is, and we're doing an engine swap. It's -10 out right now, Celcius. So not really your ideal day for doing this, but got to get her done, right? So a little bit more Detroit information. We set the timing all up in this new engine, not just the gear timing, but the timing in the top end. So what you want to do is you want to get a feeler gauge out, rotate your crank till there's no pressure onto them, one at a time, and we set these at 28 thou. For the injector timing, you're supposed to have a special tool. What we did was we took a measurement with a digital caliper off of that same special tool, and you can't see it on the camera, but there's a little eyelet hole in this center one for your injector, and the special tool just drops into that eyelet hole until you get it at the right height, and that's how you time it. So we used the bottom end of the digital caliper, stuck it down the hole, measured it the same the whole way across, and I honestly can't remember what the measurement was. We did it Friday. But if you got a friend or access to one of those special tools, it's just a way you can do it with the tools you already have at home. So next step is we got to get this thing hoisted up here with the chain blocks, back old Sally in, hook her on, and back in the woods we go. We got a swinging Jimmy. 20 minutes later, we'll have it ready to go on the truck. Another benefit to having a high truck, you got to lift everything that much higher to get it on.
Benefit.
Back that in there, Jesse. Good enough, Jesse. Whoa! Whoa! Almost got pinched there between the motor. Almost pinched him between the old motor there. He's getting close. Oh yeah, that's a diesel. We'd be choking and gagging in here.
Yeah, the truck's like must be settling.
Well, I mean the motor probably weighs 1,000, don't it?
Oh, imagine. It's squished right against this motor.
Let's just say you're in a little bit of a pinch zone there.
Good. There we go. A little more? Yep. Definitely. Can you do that? A little more. One-handed.
Bang, she's on.
That video for another day.
Yeah, it's a little soggy. Still fun though, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
My big fingers can't turn this fucking thing off.
folks, this here's where all the action happens. Not a lot of wood out. It's all in the woods, laying on the ground. Hopefully we can get this porter up and running today. There's the old John Deere dozer. Old Deere John.
Good old girl. There's the porter recovery tool.
The old skidder. She's starting to look a little more like a boneyard, but we'll be in better shape here soon. A little bit of hardwood we got left. Really got to get some wood out. Good here when the spring comes, get some road maintenance done. She's a little rough. The old girl, Timberjack. Putting a new heart in her today. We'll be lifting her in with our Kubota. Delivery's here.
Guys, now all we gotta do is just put that motor in that porter. Nothing to it. What kind of orchestra are we gonna have here? Give her a little shove with the excavator, right? So this is what we're going to use to lift that off the truck and into that porter. Not really the ideal, but this is what we got to work with, boys. What do you think, Jesse? Is it cold enough? What?
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah. Now let him bonk you in the head with that thing. Safety gear's minimal. Whoa! Easy, boy! Whoa! There's the old Chevy, right? Good thing she saw it. Let that warm up a few minutes.
Grab that and push that in. Shane's truck should almost be in here, so no, but you just lift it off and carry it back. Okay.
Just let that warm up a minute.
Yeah.
Get them controls under control there. Now you know what you got going on? You got too much RPM. Calm that thing, there you go. Yeah.
You're reaching for it. Nothing you hate more than doing something somebody's telling you what to do as you're doing it.
Jesse's not a war amp. He broke his hand snowboarding the other night. Adapting back.
One hand. Most people can do too. Up and walk back slowly.
That was a lot of weight. I went and let that blade down. That was a lot of weight. That's rash, right?
Easy on the controls.
Might have to drive your truck ahead.
No, you're good. I said don't let him bonk you in the head with that.
Open your grapples.
Now I gotta put the clutch on and take her off the stand. In she goes. So they just got this flywheel cleaned up, guys. Check this thing out. There is cracks in that like I have never seen before. I've seen them before, but not holding together. Like we've got one here that's major. But he said it was that bad the last time they had it apart, so what do? Put the clutch on, she's going in. Alright, clutch is on. We're ready to do the big lift and drop here. We're going to get our machine situated where we need it. Might want to move your cord there, Jesse. That extension cord, maybe. You're good. Turn around so your blade's in front of you, Bob. Pointing at the machine.
I want to do that, but I got this here. I can't.
You're sitting in a good spot.
You're gonna have to walk with the motor a little bit no matter what you do.
What?
You're gonna have to probably walk with that motor a little bit no matter what.
Gently pick it up.
Up and away.
Stable. Don't go up too far, you might get a little rocky, right? Keep it where it's nice and flat.
Nope.
Too much.
Gentle.
So rotator doesn't have the resistor in it right now.
I know. Try to explain that. That's good. Watch your motor, don't watch something else.
Yeah.
I only got one hand. These here, oh, Jesus. These go up through. Up through? Yes. See how this one's in there like that? We got the rubber sitting on top. It's all fucking froze up.
Like this.
It's frozen.
Hold that there, Jesse.
Yeah, that's frozen.
Okay, Jesse, this way. Down a bit. Good, slow and steady. Whoa, whoa.
See if you can go back that way. It's already hit the machine. It's not about the machine right now, it's about the motor.
We're getting close. Just a sec here. Alright. We're going.
Down a little bit.
Oh, I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Back up. Okay, down. Oh, oil pan's hit.
Lights off it.
Why is the oil pan hit?
Because we're not back.
Okay, so right.
We need to maybe reposition this something.
Well, that ain't moving, is it?
No. Let go of that. Let go of that.
Let go of it? You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Let go.
Okay.
The other way.
What, do you want more slack in the chain?
They need to pick up more on the front. I'm half thinking they should reposition the head so this ain't hitting the window.
Yeah.
So move your camera and then we'll go back up to the rear. You go in there, turn that right around. Now what happens when you spin that right around? Keep going. Alright, now come back in. Don't hit chain.
Put your blade down a little more, but oh, never mind.
Right there. Grapple. Very gently up. Up. That's shut it up through it. Okay, wow. Push some plates in.
What?
Your metal plate there, just push back like that, yeah. Now we need to get that back. Let's see if we can push this motor back ourselves. Go back, go towards the cab a little tiny bit.
I'm hitting on the actual frame there.
I see.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying?
Fucking nuts.
Yeah.
Go up a little bit. Go up. Move your hand. Go up a little bit. Out this way. And up. Can you put it towards me? Towards me. Towards me. Yeah, that was a nice move. Now up a little bit if you can. Now back towards the cab.
There, we're looking better. Now down.
Down just a cunt there. Oh, that's more than what we wanted, but anyway.
Easy.
Alright.
Okay, we're close now.
You need to go down gentle now.
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
Okay, we're looking good. Whoa, hold her there. Yeah. Down a little more.
No, just right.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm hooking the bolt heads here.
Ready? No.
Hold on.
Just let us wiggle.
Whoa, stop.
Don't do nothing. I need another hand.
Hold on here. I almost got this one started, Jesse.
Okay, yours looks better than mine.
I need a fucking flathead screwdriver.
Flathead screwdriver, that bucket.
And where's the nuts for these motor mounts?
Right down there on the blade. Them. What do you need? The two nuts right there. Pass them to. Yeah, they're all the same size. Pass them to them. Pass me two of them. Pass me two as well. Washers? I don't know, maybe. I'm not sure what was on it. Probably, yes. Pass. If there's 4 washers, then we need 4 washers.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I am so close, it's crazy.
Well,
Just
like-
wiggle that motor and I can probably...
Do you need me to do something?
I need a bar. Where's one of them bars? See, look, if you can see what's going on over here, this is why. This oil pan ain't down in the hole. The oil pan's not in the hole, this ain't down yet.
He's still holding it though. But I almost got this mount started, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah, but this one's not lined up.
it will though, won't it?
No. It will in a second. I need a bar, tire bar. Where is that? On the back of the truck? The other side, maybe. Now, where did we put that? We brought one tire bar yesterday. Are you standing on it? It ain't in there, is it? Maybe it is in that tote. There it is. That's one of them.
Oh my god, that's so close.
Now watch your fingers. Oh yeah. Yes, but it needs to be pushed back.
I pretty much have this in, I just need a hammer.
Rotate the head a little bit.
No, I need, is there a hammer or something?
Hammer.
Big.
No good to be big.
It's gonna be handy. That's what she says.
Okay, I got this one in. Where's the nuts?
That's so close.
Look at her.
Yeah, because I can't do no more better. But all I gotta do is come back.
Grab me the other nut and washer for this.
See what needs going on. That needs to go back. Like it needs to be pushed.
You're trying to get some resistance.
Probably the machine's holding it right now.
No.
It's on the oil pan right now.
Jesse, grab me the other, it's on the oil pan?
What do you need, nuts?
Yeah, another nut and washer.
Yeah, the motor's sitting on the oil pan right now.
Yeah, that's fine. It's alright for a second.
Yeah.
What needs to happen is this needs to come up a little bit and go back. And it's gonna flop. That oil pan needs to get down in the hole, right?
Yeah, I know. I wonder if I.
Let's see.
This has to go back, and that oil pan needs to go down the hole.
Just pick up a hair.
Just a tiny little bit. Down a little more.
go up.
Up a little bit.
Up. Yeah. Hold on. Try that. Oh, I have nothing. Down. No, she's jammed back here, right on. Up.
Up. Up a little more.
Wait, that's I'll grab down over there, maybe.
That's what I was thinking. We need to get it sitting down on the paws first, right? Once it's sitting on the motor mount paws, should be easy to see.
Well, it's sitting right on this one.
Yeah, I know, but we gotta get this one sitting too, and then then the bolt should go right in it. I think we just gotta lift it down in there a little more better.
All right, back up.
Just a tiny little bit. Let's see if we can make something move. Just a minute. Oh, that's looking good.
What?
Looking good here for a second. Need to get the front end of that motor.
Up a little more. I'm caught over here. Give me your bar.
Well, oh yeah, that looks nice.
There.
Down gently. No, wait. Just wait. Down gently. How you want?
Good over here.
Whoa! There's fucking rubber here.
What rubber?
This.
Yeah.
That intake's might have to come off. Shove that back in the cab.
Deal with that later. Down. Looking good.
It's got a head.
Huh?
Now, see, you can put a little, just a little. Doing the right thing, just do a little more of it. A little more. Is that sitting down there? Oh shit. Pick that up. Grab that plate. See that plate? The flat bar, that goes underneath that.
This fella?
Yeah, pick that up a little bit.
That's fine. It ain't jammed.
You gotta pull the motor back out from the cab some. The other way. Go that way.
Whoop.
A little bit more, just a touch. That way, yeah. A little more. Boys, that's fucking good. Now, see, I'm twisting over here. I'm off the map. Don't move nothing. Fingers in place.
This one's sitting on the bolts over here.
Yeah, so is this one. Down a little bit.
Down a little more. Right there. There she's floating.
All right, don't move.
Give me that screwdriver. Motor mount in here. that. Bam.
Just gonna look at it.
Just look at it.
Would you just look at it? Shout out to that money.
Now line your side up. Where's the bolts for the front here?
Down there on the blade with that stuff.
Is there a nut on the bottom of that, or is it not end bolt? What is it?
There's a bolt in, no, it's a bolt. I think it's welded in the frame, so you just put a bolt in the washer and it should thread right down through, you know what I'm saying? There should be a nut welded to the frame. This is all screwed up over here. I'm gonna have to help with this. Well, maybe not. This freaking close.
Right there I'm looking for. I got them lined up.
What?
Not good at all. You didn't line them flat plate washers up before we set that down.
We can pick up on that side a little bit, probably. Pick up on it a little bit. Very carefully. See, take the weight out. Whoa, don't move no more. Where'd that plate come from? That's not good. We're missing a plate over here. Huh? One of the plates thing to put in, so make sure you get the same thicknesses, I guess. See?
I can get that in.
Yeah, but if it's the same thicknesses, it don't matter. You know what I mean? So that one's that high. This one's this.
Where's the nuts? Washer. Show us one.
Right
Bob.
here, Bubby, right here. Let it go. There's one. And a washer. There's a washer. Here's a nut.
This is the other one here. You want me to get that on the other side?
Well, does it look like this same thickness?
Well, there's 3 on this side. How many's on that side? 2? I didn't see it there. I would have put it in.
Well, I was laying in the belly pants.
Did you get them front ones started?
Well, I think I got this one was in the right spot,
no,
but then he
the motor
lifted
just
up on it, so. Did you got the nuts on the other side?
I do.
He's gonna have to lift up on
Up a little.
Whoa! A little more!
No, that's
No? Okay. Come on! Get under there.
There, you can get that excavator out of here now. Actually, no, get the front ones lined up.
It ain't far from. I just need to set it back down a little bit.
Things are looking better here.
Take your weight off it.
Yep. Where's that hammer? Open her up, Jesse.
Up.
Yeah. Or let her down and open her up. Come down. Yeah. Now just open your grapple. Away you go. And there you have it, guys. Now he's gonna hook everything else up. No big deal. Well, we're calling her a day. Motor's in. Some stuff's hooked up. We got that pump in the front.